Do you know the best vitamins for fatty liver? What exactly is fatty liver? Well, fatty liver, or hepatic steatosis, is a condition in which fat accumulates in the liver, and this can cause serious health problems in the long term. This buildup of fat can occur due to various factors, such as excessive alcohol consumption, an unhealthy diet, obesity, and insulin resistance. As you can see in these images, a healthy liver appears dark red, while a fatty liver becomes yellow or pale due to fat accumulation. This condition can be asymptomatic in its early stages, so it is essential to be informed and take preventive measures. Before we continue, don't forget to subscribe to Vitamin Vitality, where we discover the secrets to a healthy life. Now let's talk about how we can address fatty liver. In addition to leading a healthy lifestyle, there are vitamins that can be beneficial for this condition. Although it's always important to consult a health professional before taking supplements, here are some vitamins that have been linked to improvements in liver health. Number 1, vitamin E. Vitamin E is a supervitamin that often goes unnoticed, but its importance for liver health is remarkable. The most prominent function of vitamin E is its ability to act as an antioxidant. This means it helps protect the body's cells against damage caused by free radicals, which are unstable molecules that can damage DNA and other cellular structures. Also, vitamin E has been suggested to play a role in cardiovascular health, as it may help keep arteries clear and prevent the formation of blood clots. Moreover, this vitamin is also known for its role in promoting skin health. It is used in many skincare products due to its moisturizing properties and its ability to aid in repairing damaged skin. What foods can you incorporate into your diet to get enough vitamin E? Foods you can include in your diet are nuts, spinach, avocado, wheat germ oil, and sunflower seeds. Number 2, vitamin D. Certain studies indicate that a deficiency of this vitamin could be related to an increased likelihood of developing a liver disorder known as hepatic steatosis. Vitamin D plays a crucial role in maintaining bone health, in the functioning of the immune system, and in the proper performance of the liver. It is essential to maintain appropriate levels of this vitamin to ensure overall well-being. Both exposure to sunlight and the use of supplements are valid methods to achieve this goal. Controlled and balanced exposure to sunlight is a natural way to obtain vitamin D, as the body is capable of producing it when the skin comes into contact with sunlight. However, the amount of sun exposure required can vary depending on various factors, such as geographic latitude, season, skin type, and the use of sunscreen. Along with sun exposure, vitamin D supplementation might be essential, especially when a deficiency is confirmed. Nevertheless, it is crucial to seek advice from a trusted health professional to establish the right amount, as personal requirements can vary. Your doctor will conduct a comprehensive evaluation and, in some cases, might require blood tests to determine your current vitamin D levels in order to provide you with an accurate recommendation regarding the required supplementation. Timely attention to fatty liver is crucial, given that it can trigger adverse health repercussions in the long term. This condition could increase the likelihood of suffering more severe liver disorders, such as cirrhosis or liver cancer. Additionally, a correlation between fatty liver and an increased risk of cardiovascular diseases and type 2 diabetes has been established. Number 3, vitamin B12. This vitamin plays an essential role in regulating lipid metabolism in the liver. Various studies have hinted that a deficiency in vitamin B12 could be linked to an increased likelihood of developing fatty liver, as this vitamin is crucial for the creation of fatty acids and the breakdown of lipids in the liver. Ensuring adequate levels of vitamin B12 through a balanced diet or taking supplements can provide significant benefits, especially in individuals following a vegetarian or vegan diet, as they face a higher risk of deficiency. People following a vegetarian or vegan diet are particularly susceptible to a lack of this vitamin, as it is mainly found in animal-derived foods, such as meat, fish, dairy products, and eggs. Therefore, it is essential for those following a vegetarian or vegan diet to obtain enough vitamin B12 through fortified foods or supplements. Maintaining adequate levels of this vitamin can be beneficial in preventing nutritional deficiencies and potentially reducing the risk of developing fatty liver. Number 4. Folic acid. The form of vitamin B9, known as folic acid, can have beneficial effects on liver health, including the condition of fatty liver. Folic acid is essential for amino acid metabolism and DNA synthesis, playing a crucial role in liver function. In individuals with fatty liver, folic acid could help decrease the accumulation of fat in this organ and improve its performance. It is of utmost importance to incorporate folic acid through a balanced diet, which includes foods rich in this vitamin, such as dark leafy greens, legumes, asparagus, and citrus. Nevertheless, in particular situations, it may be necessary to consider supplementing with folic acid, especially in individuals with a confirmed deficiency of this vitamin. It is essential to keep in mind that, although folic acid can offer benefits in the context of fatty liver, it should not be considered a sole solution. Number 5. Omega-3. Omega-3 fatty acids are known for their anti-inflammatory properties, and it has been hinted that they can be beneficial for liver health, including fatty liver. These fatty acids are present in foods such as fatty fish, like salmon, sardines, and herring, nuts, and flax seeds. Omega-3 fatty acids can contribute to the reduction of inflammation in the liver and to the improvement of its functioning. Additionally, they can also be beneficial in lowering blood triglyceride levels and improving lipid profiles in people with fatty liver. In addition to acquiring omega-3 fatty acids through diet, in certain situations, it may be pertinent to evaluate the possibility of supplementing with fish oil. Fish oil supplements provide a concentrated source of omega-3 fatty acids. Within the wide range of foods available, there are some that stand out for their notable content of essential vitamins that contribute to maintaining liver health and promoting proper fat metabolism in this organ. These are 3 outstanding foods recommended for maintaining fat levels in the liver in a healthy state. Number 1. Cruciferous vegetables, such as broccoli, cauliflower, and cabbage. These vegetables harbor antioxidant compounds and phytochemicals that play a fundamental role in liver detoxification and in promoting overall liver health. In addition to their purifying effects, cruciferous vegetables are a valuable source of fiber, as well as essential vitamins and minerals. Fiber helps regulate the digestive system and can be helpful in weight management, which is important in the treatment of fatty liver. These vegetables are also low in calories and nutrient-rich, making them an outstanding choice for maintaining an overall healthy diet. To maximize the benefits of cruciferous vegetables, it is recommended to consume them raw or lightly steamed, as excessive heat can reduce the concentration of some nutrients. You can incorporate them into salads, stir-fries, soups, or as a side dish in your meals. Number 2. Beets. Another food that can be highly beneficial for liver health is beets. This vegetable is rich in betalains, a type of antioxidant that gives it its characteristic dark red color and contains compounds that promote detoxification and overall liver health. These antioxidant substances play a crucial role in protecting liver cells from the harmful effects of oxidative stress and damage caused by free radicals. Beets are also a source of fiber, making them a beneficial food for overall digestive health. Fiber promotes intestinal regularity and contributes to the elimination of toxins and waste from the body. A popular way to enjoy the benefits of beets is through their juice. Natural beet juice can offer a higher concentration of nutrients and antioxidants. However, it is important to keep in mind that beets are high in natural sugars, so they should be consumed in moderation, especially if you have issues related to blood sugar levels. Number 3. Green tea. This tea is widely recognized for its content in catechins, a type of extremely potent antioxidant that possesses both antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. These properties can contribute to preserving liver health by protecting it from oxidative stress. Oxidative stress refers to an imbalance between the production of free radicals and the body's ability to counteract them, which can be harmful to liver cells. To take advantage of the benefits of green tea, you can enjoy it both hot and cold. However, it is important to keep in mind that green tea contains theine, so if you are sensitive to this substance or have difficulty sleeping, you may opt for other tea varieties that are more suitable for you. In addition to the intake of B-complex vitamins, vitamin D, vitamin E, omega-3 fatty acids, and antioxidants, incorporating healthy habits, such as exercising or playing sports and moderating alcohol consumption, is fundamental. This change in lifestyle provides significant benefits for liver health and prevents both the development and progression of fatty liver. A healthy life begins with adopting good habits, and including vitamins in your diet is one of them. Therefore, do not hesitate to provide your body with the nutrients it needs. And finally, don't forget to subscribe to receive more tips and tricks on how to keep your body and mind in optimal conditions. Give it a like if you're eager to maintain your vitality, and share this video with your loved ones and friends. Together, we will achieve a better quality of life.